All right, so today is December 18, 2024. I'm going to try to quickly go over some stuff here. We do have an 8:30 news that's supposed to come out, but our biggest thing today is going to be FOMC at 2 and 2:30. You can see it's very heavy here, right? This is very, very important. So we'll see what's going on with that. So maybe right at the open, the market might just go dead for a while. Yesterday, I had a potential setup. Let's say I took a trade here, no, here, right? I didn't have anything to help bounce this trade. I was kind of like hoping that it would work out. I ended up losing down here. Then I saw this setup, this potential setup here. Price did take off on me, without me. Could have entered at the break of this. All right, so about 3 to 4 points. Price went up about 16 points. It did take quite a while before it went, so that's about 35 minutes, and then boom, it just shot up after that. We go to the 1 minute chart. We see that price was really just ebbing and flow. Then we had a quick spike down, and then a quick spike up, and it was just like going and going, and then it came down. I entered the trade somewhere around here somewhere. We came up here. I took the second leg of the trade after the 5 minute close here shallow, and it looked like we're trying to break out. So I just took that potential risk. Stop loss was somewhere around down here. Then I adjusted as we went. We came up here. I was hoping that we would break, but we had all of this buying here that we couldn't break initially that we came back down to. I was hoping that we would break it, but price just basically held. And while price was holding, let's go to NQ. While price was holding, NQ also created a new top high. Since NQ held his high here, but ES did not. NQ created a new high and then it fell over. This should have been my thing to just say, okay, fuck it, exit this trade, or maybe even right here to say, okay, we are dying here. I had my stop loss somewhere here, and I ended up getting stopped out. And there's nothing for ES to NQ to bounce off of. Also, and coinciding with ES and NQ, we also had VIX. VIX at that time was heading here at these lows, or these previous highs, I should say, that they had gapped over and was holding those the entire time. So that should have been a sign. It looked better on the 5 minute. It should have been a sign that price is not going to go higher on ES because VIX was holding these highs and it was not budging at all. So, um, so that was basically it. So right now, VIX gapped up. It had, I guess, a contract rollover or something. I have no idea. It gapped up. So, and then ES is also moving up. So, which is kind of weird that both VIX and ES are up so far for the day. So, I'm not quite sure what to make of that. So, I'm going to delete everything that I have down here and above because we bounced nicely off of all of those levels. Trend lines can go, this lines can go, all of this can go. This low can go because we're above it. Also, we're holding the low too. When price was there, it was holding that low. I should have respected that also because ES was at the low and VIX was at a high. So we got that right. All right. So right now we're holding an end of day high volume area, as you can see on the 30 minute. This is the one I'm more concerned about here, the 5 minute one. So if we go to the 30 minute, we do have strong volume right here. Um, and I kind of like this one because it's a buy, but we sold off. Kind of like ES had this one here yesterday, where it was it's Tuesday, today's Wednesday. No, NQ. NQ had one where it was a sell right here, right? Which a sell, but price ended up buying, right? Strong selling, but buying here, and it's the highest volume. And we came back and we bounced off of that right here, right? That's what we created that low, um, RSI level right here that's selling into it and then buying it up here. Let's see what it looks like on a 5-minute. Doesn't show anything, but price went to that. So this was a failed sell, strong failed sell, and price pushed up. So I'm going to start looking at those things for my sake for ES and NQ. Those strong end of day volumes where it's a strong, like this one here, strong buy, but failed right here. So I like that. I want to see price go into it and then fail. It's a strong buy that failed, right? You can see it failed several times during pre-market. And then a strong sell that fails also. So those are the things I'm going to look for. So let's go quickly on our daily. You see price is kind of just nice holding this gap. We got this little trend line going on here. Weekly buying right here. Price curving up. Selling not here. So so we're kind of like in a range in a sense. Go to the daily. Back into the daily, you can see that we're inside basically the 16th. We're inside Monday's range. Go to the 1 hour. Yep. Go to the 1 hour. We see that we have some buying up here that failed. We did clear this entire part here. So I'd like to see price fail at this 5-minute, or if it moves up, fell somewhere up here at the top. It's really what I'm looking for. So these would be the tops in a sense because we created a new top. I don't have any lows right here. Price is moving up. Do we even have a trend line? I don't think we have a real trend line that I can trust. So I don't have anything yet. Let's go into the London open session. Let's just mark this area here. I still don't have anything. End of day buying, end of day strong volume is this one here. But this is a succeeding buy. So the buying should start somewhere down here at the bottom, right? Kind of like right here. I want to take a look at that right here. Anyways, I'm gonna mark it for now, but I'm speculating that it may not be the best because I would think that if we're gonna do what we did, price did hold. Look at that, price held. Price held for sure right here. So there's that. Shut my damn mouth. All right, so let's go to the 15-minute. The buying is definitely much stronger on the 30-minute. Price did hold though right here, so this is an important area. This one here goes to the 5-minute. All right, so strong selling that fell. $31,433, $31,738. So we'll mark this one here for the end of day volume. Is that one right here, right? 5-minute end of day volume failed sell. All right, so this is where I would like to see price bounce off of. Let's go back to the 15 and make sense of everything real quickly. Still no RSI levels. Crazy. No RSI levels yet. Let's go to the 5-minute. All the RSI levels have been cleared, except for right here. Minor RSI level. I'll mark it. I would like for it to be cleared. If we can clear it, that'd be good. 5-minute. So I like that to be cleared. I like the price to come back up and then shoot down towards these levels down here. Or probably even further. I still don't have anything back here. Let's go back to the 15. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Nothing there. Go back to the 5. You can see that we're still holding. This is a selling zone here. So yeah, I like to see price definitely reject and push up. Let's go to the 1 minute then. I don't have anything to help really. So 1 minute buying. So we need to at least clear this bad boy right here. To clear this one right here. 1 minute. Need to clear that because this is the one that might hold us up. But I think that we can clear it. I like to see second. I like to see price move back up and then push down into those level. All right. I'm not gonna too much go all through all of that because this would be too much. We do have buying here. I do like this here. It's buying here, sold and buy. So this would be in good area. All right, so that's that. Go back to the 5 minute. See, I don't want too much clutter on my charts. Yeah, so maybe we're selling off now. Nothing I can do about it. I'm not trading this time frame. I'm just setting up my charts. Let's set the high of days and low of days from yesterday. I still think the things are not working because we never filled that gap yet. But we did roll over the contracts, so let's see if it is working. Let's see if it is working. Nope, 65.37 is not settlement price. Settlement price should be somewhere around this candle here. Should be close. All right, because it's not settlement price. I'm gonna leave it close. It could just be just a C. Small C. Boom. All right. All right. So in a sense, I don't have anything really down here to help support any of this move down. I did look at all the strong volumes that I can. Go back to the 15. We're destroying that area. We kind of cleared this already. Let's go to the 30-minute. So this area I'm very going to be probably more interested in. We're really tanking right now, right? Would have loved to have gotten some of this price actions now that I'm looking at it, but it already started way before me. It probably started like when it was over here or so. And we can clear this 5 minute now that we destroyed it. I don't care what happens after that. It's been destroyed. So my area down here of interest is truly this right here. It's a big range, but that's where I'm interested in. I'm not gonna mark it like that. This is supposed to be the 30-minute chart. Volume sucks. I didn't see anything in any of the lower time frames for me to be interested in this. Okay, so we're gonna leave that alone. Let's go to NQ. Let's do some house cleaning. We cleared that nicely. All right, I still need ES NQ to reject this right here. It's been very shy of it. Let's go to the daily. Ooh, we're rounding out. Let's go to the 4 hour. Still in buying territory. Oh, not over here though. Let's mark this like this. Let's go to the 1 hour. Oh, no buying territory. Okay, these lows are going to be important. Did I mark? When did I mark it high? The lows. All right, so let's go to ES. Oh, did I mark the low? I remember marking the high. Mark the high with the wrong color too. low. All right, I'm like, I don't remember the lows at all. Okay, go back to NQ. We can get rid of all of this here. Oh, that's nice. Okay, strong selling volume at the open. I'm gonna ignore that. I ignore these because we're kind of like all the way above. We didn't really fail there. Didn't really fail. We're kind of still inside, so the extremes would probably be better. Let's mark the highs. Mark the lows. Let's do the 15. Yeah, so still in that weird range. I think we might drop. Go to the 15-minute. Nothing. Go to the 5-minute. Strongest volume candles right here, but we're inside of it basically. We haven't really left we haven't displaced from those areas. 15. Or we never really displaced from them, so it's kind of hard for me to really like want to mark them. 30-minute. 5-minute. All right, something right here. All right, it's a big range. So 1 minute, I don't have anything to really mark. With NQ. And we are taking badly though. Yep, we rejected that area. Rejected the high. That's what we're rejecting. We're rejecting the high. And then VIX is in a fucking mix. Delete all of this. Make new lows. All right, I'm essentially done because I don't really have anything for VIX with this weirdness going on. I want to see where this high leads to. I need more map. So nothing, no. All right, let's go 5-minute. So this is gonna be my 30-minute area. Okay. Um, yeah, let's do that with that one. Um, what did selling fail? Nope. Nope. All right, I don't have anything. All right, so yeah. Okay, so that's really pretty much it. Um, so price definitely destroyed. Sheesh, went a lot further than I thought. Nice 10-point drop. We definitely rejected that area. So, all right, so that's it for me for now. Um, right, I needed something like this when I was trading earlier yesterday. Right, buy, absorption, sell, absorption, sell the freak off. Right, probably could have entered here. What does it look like on the 5 minute on ES? Got a buy. Yep, probably could have entered here or while it's breaking and have that, and there we go, 4 to 1 without a pullback. Yep, boom, 10 points. All right, didn't pull back not one time. So, all right, so that's it for me for today. We went over news. FOMC is heavy today. The heck going on? FOMC is heavy. Let's see what the mentors are saying. All right. The SPY, my main level again today is 61.45, 61.47. I forgot that. Not really using. Maybe I am 61.45. Okay, it's about the same area with that. We're bouncing off of that heavily. Yeah. All right. Let's see what anybody's saying on other discords. Lucid's probably up. All right. So yeah. All right. So we're done. Be back in the later on today. All right. Adios. Oh, game plan wise. Um. Yeah. Essentially, those are my levels. I don't have game plan wise. Right. These things breaking down here. So I'm gonna be looking at these highs, these highs, and these lows. So basically, I'm looking for a better rejection. So if we come back up and reject again, I'm game for it. I don't really have anything set up. I don't have anything that's really showing me promising signs. Um, we're kind of like in the middle of nowhere. So just looking for the end parts of prices. We're breaking this trend line. Probably had the same similar trend line here. We're holding that previous high. So that's it. So that's basically really it. I don't have much to go off of besides those extreme levels that I have there. So price is selling off. I like to see price clear this up, and then come back down. So yeah, or we'll see that if we create a new demand zone up here and then move higher if this becomes our supply zone for